My name is Cameron Lane. I'm from New York City. I came all the way to Turkey, Istanbul, to get an implant, and I didn't feel any pain. So with the implant process, I was very afraid because I thought that it was going to be extremely painful. But as I started getting the work done, I didn't feel anything. It was 1, 2, 3. I literally got it done in 5 minutes. I felt like she did magic or something. I don't know what it was. There was no cutting. I don't know what she did. It felt like magic in a sense, and it only took 5 minutes. I feel extremely well. I'm just a little numb from the medication, but otherwise from that, feels great. I'm very excited that I got it done. So if you're scared to get an implant, you should definitely rethink it and get it done here at Atlantic Dental Clinic with Dr. Ebru. She was amazing. She was quick. I'm looking forward to continue to come back here to get dental work done.